Walking through a forest is like stepping into a natural sanctuary. The air is fresher. The sounds of rustling leaves and chirping birds create a symphony that calms the mind. Forest therapy, or Shinrin-yoku, invites us to immerse ourselves in this tranquility, reducing stress and boosting our mood. Studies show that spending time in nature lowers cortisol levels and enhances our immune system. Ecotherapy takes it a step further, connecting us with the earth to heal emotional wounds. It's not just a walk, it's a journey to reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. So next time you feel overwhelmed, consider a stroll among the trees.